My name is Ankit Banchar and I am IC engineer. Our company name is USHA PNEUMATIC Corporation. Our company USHA PNEUMATIC Corporation located in Ahmedabad, Patwada zone. We are engaged in manufacturing solenoid and control valves last 15 years. Our manufacturing product range is control valves, solenoid valves. Mainly control valves is in Y-type control valves, flange and screw ends, all the size are available. It's 50 mm to 50 mm, 15 mm to 50 mm is available. And in solenoid valves, we have the huge range, direct acting solenoid valve, semi-lift, pilot operated, and we are just launching in direct acting new range this year. Generally, we are manufacturing these all type of valves in ISO method. We have the quality control teams, and we have the very good staff we have the testing systems like for the solenoid valves, control valves, and we give the best service in all our Indias. Our delivery service is very best. In all our solenoid and control valves, we give the 12-month of warranty. If you have any problems in this quality time period, we give the exchange or the new valves at your end side. We have for the manufacturing solenoid and control valves, we have the very good CNC operating machines. We have the 3 CNC turning machines and some special instrument for the testing and calibration. We have the qualified staff for machining and for testing purpose.